Well, I thought it might be interesting to show you my drive every morning to take my son to school. And snow. You can see here the banks on the side of the road are right up to the stop sign there. And I'm not actually going to stop because once you stop you may not ever get started again. But the roads here in the country are mostly plowed single wide, so you have to be careful if a car is coming your direction to plan a turnout, and otherwise you'll have a head-on collision with nowhere else to go. As you can see, I'm coming into one of these little snow tunnels here, I call them, and it's just about as wide as your car and just about as tall as your car. And if your car is really tall, then it's probably still just about as tall as your car. This is about 8 feet tall right here. Anyway, old Kansas farm over here on the right, old barn and silo. This is the snow from 2009, 2010, 5 blizzards in a row.